Dubai Car Wash. So amazing. See the how soothing it is to see the car get washed. No, I feel very good about this because I feel like I'm inside a place which snows. Winter it is. See, some sort of liquid is getting poured here. I don't know what it is. I think it must be a shampoo or something. And water is poured after that. So the shampoo get properly rinsed. I think it is 2 times. It is a 2 time shampoo is there. All the side is getting washed. Yes, with the shampoo. See, I hope they recycle it. The water gets recycled again for the use. That would be a cool idea. I am pretty sure that they do that because this is Dubai. So they does that. Doesn't waste all the resources they have. So they maximize it with uh, full potential. That's what they do. That's what these other people are good for. They with the limited resources, they do tremendous job. See the cleanliness it brings. It's amazing. It's pretty good. This wash is around 37 bucks. This is a dry foam version, but it is highly recommended. See, they're pouring all the waters and all. See. I have a memory of childhood, the rainfall and all everything. No, it feels very good. It's time for.